Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Acura TL Type-S. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Acura has less than 115,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows and window defogger.